here it is. It finally arrived. Uh-oh, what's that? There it is. So does this officially make it a Spoon Civic Type R once I install it? Not exactly, but it's fun to hope. By the way, you can get this for a lot cheaper if you just buy the Sprint filter. Spoon basically just puts their logo on it, but I wanted the Spoon one because Spoon. Okay, let's get this installed. Here we are. Say hello to the C8. All right, Spoon Sports. Basically a Sprint filter with the Spoon logo. I don't know what you have to, but I'm gonna remove the mass airflow sensor. Also, keep in mind, I'm doing this with the engine being completely cold. If this was hot, this would not be fun, so I haven't driven it. I'm not gonna have any before sound effects for you because of that, but you can watch my other videos if you wanna hear what a stock Civic Type R sounds like. But let me pull these clips off and then get this out. The new one is on. Take a look at this. There is a dead bug. It's like a dead fly. And here are multiple. Interesting. We got all sorts of dead bugs. And this is only after I'm just shy of 3,000 miles. It's pretty dirty. Okay, it's all assembled back. Mass airflow sensor is connected, and yeah, really easy install. Anybody could do this. It's not difficult at all. Key things, you just have these two clips there, and then you have this that's held on each side. But other than that, you just pull it up and take the old one out. So, you know, there's no need for a technical, detailed video. But yeah, be mindful of how dirty these ones get and how restrictive they are. So let's go take it for a spin and hear it. Okay, fired right up. Let's take it for a drive and see if we can hear some cool turbo noises. While this is warming up, just real quick, why did I go with a $260 air filter when that's all it is an air filter, and that's valuable money that can go towards an intake? Or I can get the PRL filter, I can get the Sprint filter directly, which is only, I think it's a fraction of that, maybe $100-something. Those are all good questions and they're valid. The answer is, I'm just gonna call it science. That's why I did it, for science. I spent the extra money to get the Spoon air filter for scientific purposes because somebody has to buy it. The PRL one was like 70 bucks. And especially since I just got it for a noisemaker, I think that would have been fine. But I got it in case you really want it. And if you want to buy a Sprint filter, you'll know. But I guess I'm being a brand snob, even though it's just literally Spoon putting their logo on the Sprint filter. It even says Sprint filter. You know, it has no benefit that I know of. But yeah, I mean, Sprint filters are high quality filters. You can clean them with a can of air, compressed air, and it'll last you a long time. So as of right now, I'm not planning on getting an intake system. Downpipe, I might do a downpipe since you don't require a tune for some of the catted downpipes here. But I just wanted the noise, and I wanted something that's high quality, and of course the PRL one is high quality as well. But in case you want this one, now you'll know. I will roll down the windows and give it some nice throttle to see what we get out of it. I don't anticipate any performance gains. I don't have a dyno to prove it, and I doubt if there were any, the butt dyno would be negligible. But no check engine lights. We're in business. Let's rev it. Yeah, I can definitely hear the blow off. I don't know if this audio will pick it up, but I can hear it. Let's get some real boost in it though. All right, so the first thing I noticed after driving for a little bit is, yeah, you can hear it even just with partial throttle, and you can hear it spooling up. So here's some partial throttling. And you finally get the turbo noise. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. I don't have a mic in the engine bay. But yeah, you can hear the turbo spool, you hear the blow off noise. It's a lot of fun. I think it's, if you're looking for an aftermarket filter, definitely go for it if you're doing it simply for the turbo noise. Again, I can't comment on the power gains, but I know that it at least sounds good. All right, so over here, I'm gonna give it a little bit of acceleration. Let's see what we got at full boost. All right. Yep. Turbo noises. Let's do a pull here. That's it. That's exactly what I was looking for. Of course, I'm stuck behind the trash, and I can smell that. Can we hear it with the windows up? Yeah, I can. Well, cool. And that's all for today. I just wanted to do the quick install and see if it was worth it. I think it is worth it. Again, maybe not for most people, not spending $260 for just a filter, unless you're a brand snob. But if you're not, and you want the cool turbo noises, because what's a turbo without the cool noises? Definitely do it. It's cheap, and you'll get more miles per gallon. Thanks for tuning in for this short one. God bless you and your family. I am out.